Hi students, today we are starting with pteridophytes. As we know, in these plants, presence of true root, stem and leaf is there. They are seedless vascular plant, means they have the absence of seeds but they have the presence of xylem and phloem. Root, stem and leaves are well differentiated. Sporophyte is dominating stage, means it is the main stage. Presence of vascular bundle, means xylem and phloem. First terrestrial plant with vascular tissue. These were the first originated plants which were present on the land and with the presence of xylem and phloem. Leaves which are small are known as microphylls and large ones are known as macrophylls. Sporophyte bear sporangia which are expressed by leafy appendages known as sporophyll. Sex organs are multicellular and jacketed. Jacketed means with jacket or with covering. Archegonia is embedded and archegonial neck is formed of 4 rows of cells. Archegonia means female organ which is inside the soil. Sperms are flagellated, means they are with flagella. Embryo stage is present. Heteromorphic means they occur in 2 or more different forms, especially at different stages in their life cycles. Alternation of generation, as we know, 2n oblique n oblique 2n oblique n. Gametophyte contain antheridia and partially embedded archegonia. Antheridia means male organ. Sporophyll may form distinct compact structure and they are known as strobili or cone. Sporophyll means, phylls means leaf which bear the spores. They are known as sporophyll and they are in the form of cone and they are known as strobili. Sporangia produces spores by meiosis and it gives rise to multicellular, free living and photosynthetic thalloid gametophyte. Thalloid gametophyte means this is the gametophyte which is present in the form of the thallus or bag, and gametophyte means these are the plant those who bear gametes and it is known as prothallus. The gametophyte require cool, damp and shady places to grow. In majority of pteridophytes, all spores are of similar kind and these plants are known as homosporous. Homo means similar, sporous means spores which are similar in shape, size and structure. In Selaginella and Salvinia, 2 kinds of spores are produced and they are known as macrospore which are larger in size and microspore which are smaller in size. Hence, they are known as heterosporous. Hetero means different, sporous means spores. So, they have similar spores also as well as different shape, size, structure of spores also. So, those who are having similar spores, they are known as homosporous and those who are having different shape, size, structure spores are known as heterosporous. Now, these are pteridophyte plants. You can see this is leaves, stem, root. You can see any plant you can see. This is strobilus, means inside that, as I told you, cone shape structure. This is node, internode. These are branches. You can see this is fern, this is salvinia, this is Equisetum, and this is Selaginella. These all are the different examples of pteridophyte. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.